Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Santosh. Today I am going to show what is Slowloris and how we can perform DOS attack from Slowloris. So for that you have to go to the command prompt first, and it needs Python script. So let's begin. For this you have to install Slowloris. So for that you have to use command pip install Slowloris. As I have already installed it, you should install this. And so let's begin our Slowloris attack. For that Slowloris I will use my own Apache server. So I start my Apache server. You can use this attack on different websites which have less bandwidth. So this is illegal, so you can take this for only for educational purpose service. So I will attack in my own server service Apache service Apache 2 start. So my Apache server has already started. You can see my Apache server is running at 192.168.1.23. so 192.161.23. you can see this my Apache server is running, and now I will attack on my own Apache server. So from Slowloris, let's start Slowloris. You can see the instruction how to use Slowloris and begin. So here is, you can see socket. So you can increase or decrease socket number by looking at the bandwidth of the website. So you can use 500, 1000 and many more. So let's begin Slowloris. As my Apache server is not strong, you can see Slowloris minus s. I will use 1000. I will use 1000, and you can use port. As you know, it always take port number 80 as open port. And so I will type in my Apache server address, that is 192.168.1.23. you can see it has already started with 1000 socket attacking 192. You can use this attack in different website. This is illegal, so you can use at your own server. And socket count 662. That means it is better when socket count is less than 500. So you can see this is taking some time. I am running at my own server, Apache server. I think I should have increased socket number, that is I use only 1000. You can see this is a slow down. So you can see this is very slow. It is very slow. You can see it is very slow, and I think it's not running. You can see it's not running. It's very slow and not running. Before it was up and running. Now we can see after we had started Slowloris attack, it is not running. You can see it is not running. It's very slow. You can see DOS attack has already started and running from Slowloris. Now after we exit, let me exit this, and it has, you can see Slowloris. I had stopped Slowloris attack. Now you can see this is up and running. This you can see it is up and running. Before we had attacked through this, while we had attacked through this Slowloris attack. It was not running, it is down and it is very slow. Now you can see this is up and running. So by this way you can try different website at your own website at your own risk. This is illegal. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel Tech Santosh, and you will get more videos like this in further upcoming days. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.